Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gaspe, local and long-distance movers near me. A dependable and cheap Gaspe moving company shouldn't be so hard to find. 3 Movers offers the right team to relocate your family, business, furniture, equipment, or anything else. We offer the right options for your local or long-distance move. Our team will help you move faster and easier no matter how far you need to go. You can use our long-distance moving services to relocate 100 miles away or further. We even offer the following to enhance your move: packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Even if you need to move all the way across the country, we can help make it very possible. Our team offers the right options to ensure you get the best long-distance move. Let us make your relocation less stressful. A Canada moving company makes your local move easier. With the best movers, you won't have to do the lifting or the hard work. 3 Movers offers local moving services with the most streamlined process. With our help, you get to your new location faster and easier. If you're ready to move locally, let us save you time and energy on your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gaspe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.